Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product category with link admin order detail page in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce dashboard and we are in order single page. So we are going to display product category with product. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to install plugin to add some custom code, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert add area and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open, and then you can add title. Then you see code preview. Now paste code. And you'll find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see text product category, so you can add text according to requirement, and we are going to display product category in admin order detail page. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to edit order. Now you see product name. Now refresh the page. And then you see product category digital product. Open this link. Now you see product category, open digital product. Back to edit order. Now you see another product, you see category. So we have two categories, that's why show categories. Again you see single category, product category. Now back to code, and then you see product category for multiple. So you can add product category, so you can customize both text according to requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.